She's taking, he doesn't understand what she
I didn't know you were.
Okay, guys, this is
I wonder how
the
you get to the
limestone
top of this
cave
thing.
up there. Wow, that is gorgeous. Can you imagine if you ran across this on a hike? No swimming under natural bridge.
Oh, that's where we started. Okay. Because I know the parking lot's up there and there's a platform up there.
The water pouring down.
Okay.
Oh, this is beautiful. And it's all made of limestone. Isn't it beautiful? This was worth driving to see, for sure. Oh, you can come down here. Wow, look, you can walk down here. I didn't even notice this. Wow. You go down a little ways. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is in Arizona, in Pine, Arizona. So pretty. Yeah, look at this cave. Oh.